da da. Da da da. Da da. Hey, Miss Joyce, come round here, some man. Me round here in a hall. How you do, ma'am? Me there try this a needle, but not for Dick and see he woulda shrink. He eye them and get dark and dark as the day go by. You know me have little clothes you have to down up for Rufus, and me want do it before he Christmas come up and we, you know. Cause it come up fast, you know. Yes, so you hear about me pitatah or then teeth you all of me pitatah. What a sin thing do I? Look how me work hard to plant me little pitatah so at Christmas time me can have me little pudding for them. And anybody come on me yard, me can give them one little slice. But as I tell Miss Gizelda what he been here, you know, I was going for my Bible and key. And you see, before I could have called Tatty boy name, he just start pin till he pin out a hand. A long time that little boy they are thief in our district, you know. Yes, he see him one day. No man, and a little son me attack a big one, we workless. He no want work, you know. Yes, you know see how, yes, that one they wear neck long like a garland, and he may attack. Yes, in thief me pitatah, and in care go up there. But him mother no should have asked him. She no plant pitatah, him no plant pitatah. So she not supposed to ask him where he get so much pitatah from. Let me tell you, me only little one in this district where plant pitatah. So if anybody want pitatah, then should have come to me. But a long time that little boy they a thief, you know. Him a thief long time. You have to watch him, Miss Joyce. He will thief milk out of coffee. But make I tell you something, I left him to God, you know. But one thing me I tell you, you see if I pass up at the house and smell any smell of pudding, I bake up there, me I go right in there go care everything done for me yard. Leviticus 19:13 said, thou shalt not defraud the neighbor, or thou shalt not rob. And then defraud me and rob me of me pitatah. But make I tell you something, long run short catch. No, me there, man. Oh, if Master Charlie I go kill any hog, make sure say him put up 2 pounds there for me. Yes, I mean no want you only pa fatty part pan it, you know, cause Rufus no like you, me no like that the part there. Oh, and if him a kill cow, me I go want 4 pounds. And you see fall now, nobody give me little maga chicken them or you give me last year, you know. Catch 2 big fowl them. And make sure me get 2 big fowl them. Because me want to cook them there for Christmas day. Yes. And just make me know how much. What you mean me hold you? What me fi hold you, Joyce? You gonna go kind of for your book where you write down your something them, yeah, missus. And look beside for me name. Cause no they beside for me name. One thing me do, me always pay for me debt. Yes, me pay for me debt them. Alright. So make me know when me can pick you up, you know, because I want to pick you up and season it up good. Alright. Have a good evening, man. Alright, ma'am. Na 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 na.